Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this part, we will continue learning more about how to order, eat, and enjoy Soto like a local. Sides are common, but they are usually simple. You might get kerupuk, crackers, a boiled egg, a potato fritter, perkedel, or satay on the side. For first-timers, it helps to start mild, add sambal a little at a time, then finish with lime right before eating. Famous Soto styles to try first, from bright and clear to rich and creamy. Soto names can shift from stall to stall, and recipes are rarely identical. Still, these styles are widely recognized and useful when you are traveling or ordering at an Indonesian restaurant. Try one clear style and one rich style, then compare them like you would compare two kinds of coffee. Soto ayam. The classic yellow chicken soto most people start with. Soto ayam is the friendly introduction. The broth is usually turmeric tinted and aromatic, with shredded chicken and vermicelli. Many bowls come with a boiled egg, fried shallots, and fresh herbs. It is also easy to customize. Add sambal for heat, then a squeeze of lime for a clean, bright finish. Because it is widely available, it is a safe first order when you are not sure what to pick. Soto Betawi. Jakarta's rich, creamy beef soto. Soto Betawi comes from Jakarta and feels closer to a creamy stew than a clear soup. The broth often uses coconut milk or milk, which makes it richer and a little sweet. Beef is the star, and you may also see offal depending on the stall. Potatoes and tomatoes are common, and emping crackers, melinjo nut chips, often appear on the side. If you like creamy soups, this one makes sense right away. Coto Makassar. Deep, nutty flavor with a hearty vibe. Coto Makassar is a well-loved specialty from South Sulawesi. The broth is thicker, darker, and deeply spiced, with a nutty taste that sets it apart. It is commonly served with ketupat or buras, rice cakes, which help soak up the broth. Many versions include offal along with beef. If you are new to that, just ask for mostly meat. You will still get the full character of the dish. Soto Lamagan. Extra savory, topped with crunchy koya. From East Java, Soto Lamagan is known for koya, a savory powder often made from crushed shrimp crackers and garlic. The stall usually adds it on top, then the powder melts into the broth. As a result, the soup tastes more savory and the texture turns slightly thicker. Chicken and vermicelli are common here too, but koya is what makes the bowl feel bold and snacky at the same time. Soto Kudus. A lighter bowl with a clean, simple broth. Soto Kudus is a Central Java style that tends to be lighter and more delicate. Portions are often smaller, which makes it a great option if you want to sample more than one dish. The broth is usually clear and gentle, with chicken or sometimes buffalo. Fresh toppings do a lot of work here, especially herbs and fried shallots. Choose this one when you want something clean and easy to finish, not heavy or creamy. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.